Welcome to the exciting world of JavaScript. In this YouTube series, we will take you on a journey from JavaScript beginner to a confident coder. Whether you're completely new to programming or looking to expand your skill set, this series is designed to provide you with a solid foundation in JavaScript. Now without further ado, let's get into the first video. So today we'll be covering variables and data types in JavaScript. Variables are containers for storing data, and data types define the nature of the data we can store. Now before we dive into coding, let's understand the concept of variables and why they're essential in programming. Variables allow us to store and manipulate data in our programs. They act as placeholders that can hold different values during the execution of our code. JavaScript provides several built-in data types that define the nature of the data we can assign to variables. Let's start by learning how to declare and assign values to variables. In this code snippet, we declare three variables: name, age, and isStudent. We assign the value John to the name variable, the value 25 to the age variable, and the value true to the isStudent variable. Notice that we use the let keyword to declare variables in JavaScript. JavaScript provides different data types for working with numbers. Let's explore a few examples. In this code snippet, we declare two variables, num1 and num2, and assign them the values 10 and 3.14 respectively. We then perform addition using the plus operator and store the result in the result variable. Finally, we use console.log to print the result, and the printed result is down here in the console. Strings are used to represent text in JavaScript. Let's see how to work with strings. In this code snippet, we declare a variable message and assign it to the value hello world. We use the length property to get the length of the string and store it in the length variable. We can access individual characters of the string using indexing, where 0, right here, represents the first character. Finally, we use console.log to print the length of the first character. Booleans represent the concept of true or false. Let's explore how to work with Booleans in JavaScript. In this code snippet, we declare two variables, isLogged and isEmailVerified, and assign them to the Boolean values true and false. We use console.log to print the Boolean values. Arrays are used to store multiple values in JavaScript. Let's see how to work with arrays in JavaScript. In this code snippet, we declare a variable fruits and assign it to an array of fruits. We use the push method to add a new fruit to the array. We can access individual elements of the array using indexing, where 1 represents the second element. Finally, we use console.log to print the array of fruits and the second fruit. Objects are used to store key value pairs in JavaScript. Let's see how they work. In this code snippet, we declare a variable student and assign it an object containing information about a student. We can access values using keys such as name. Finally, we use console.log to print the object and the student's name. And that concludes our tutorial on variables and data types in JavaScript. We covered the basics of declaring and assigning variables and explored different data types such as numbers, strings, booleans, arrays, and objects. With this knowledge, you can effectively handle and manipulate data in your JavaScript programs.